Kumusta at magandang araw! This is Cyril of V108 Marketing Management, and this is my local application of marketing concept for managing mass communication for advertising, sales promotions, events, and public relations. Lemon Square started in 1980 as a cottage thesis and officially launched in 1985 when founders began selling homemade baked goods. With growing demand, the company expanded its operations, building its first plant in 1991, modernizing production in 1995, diversifying products by 2000, and opening a larger facility in 2014. By 2022, Lemon Square had become a market leader, recognized as a world-class provider of affordable baked treats both locally and abroad. Today, we'll look at how Lemon Square, a beloved Filipino snack brand, applies integrated marketing communication principles through advertising, sales promotions, events, and public relations to build lasting connections with consumers. Lemon Square has carved a space as a value-for-money snack brand appealing especially to moms, students, and working Filipinos. Sabi nga nila, sarap na abot kaya. Advertising helped build brand awareness and top-of-mind recall. Lemon Square uses both traditional media like TVCs and digital platforms to stay present in everyday life, especially in household and school-age consumers. Provide short-term incentives to stimulate purchase. Lemon Square leverages timing like school openings or holidays to encourage bulk buying, especially for merienda and baon needs. Meaningful experiences create emotional bonds. Lemon Square's on-ground events and CSR activities allow consumers to experience the brand beyond just taste. They associate it with care, fun, and community, having this as a festival, outreach, and even burial food for everyone. Public relations build credibility and trust. Lemon Square uses public relations to maintain its image as a trusted Filipino snack provider while also engaging influencers who resonate with their core market, mothers, and families. What makes Lemon Square's communication effective is how integrated and consistent it is. Whether you see an ad, visit a store, or attend a school event, the message is unified, affordable, delicious, and Filipino-made. Kaya ano, Mami? Lemon Square din ba ang baon ni Baby? Thank you for watching!